Yo, today I'm going to be giving you guys a preview of the Jordan 6 Carmines. Hey, what up? It is your boy Chris Colgan with Chris Colgan Drips. I am now crowning myself the new king of early sneakers. The king of all early sneakers, it is me. I continually get the early kicks for you all. Got myself the Carmines right here, the Jordan 6s. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a truthful man. I would not wear these. I know a lot of you love them. I know they've been very hot. Everyone's been buying up the early pairs. They got delayed again, but they're coming out soon. They are not for me. Never really been a big Jordan 6 guy. I'm just trying to be authentic. But they're pretty cool looking, to be honest. I know this colorway's come out a bunch of different times through the years. Michael Jordan played with them and all that stuff. But I mean, they're definitely cool looking shoes. I don't know what I would, for me, I couldn't see myself walking into a business meeting wearing these, you know what I mean? But they are pretty hot shoes. So we shot some really cool footage, I think, of these shoes. I wanted you guys to take a look at. So watch that footage. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I got them from my boys at Sneaker Knockers LLC in the VIP room. You know how they do. Check out my Instagram at Chris Colgan. We're gonna be giving away shoes every month. Follow me on there. I post other footage and we post pictures early, stuff like that. Again, these Carmines, I probably if you can take a win on the sneakers app, that's gonna be a good day with these. I think the resale on these are going to be really good. They're going to go up to like $350, $350, somewhere around there on StockX and some sites like that. And, they'll be at all the foot sites and all that, And so definitely get yourself a pair of these if you're into them. And as always, I will see you at the top or from the top. And let me know and let your friends know the new king of the early leaks is here. Did you like how I call myself the king of the early leaks? That's gonna be so funny to put that in there. I'm gonna look like the man now, bro. I love that tagline, the king of early sneaks. They're gonna be like, bro, that kid is amazing. His name's the king, even though I'm not a kid, I'm an older man. That kid is amazing, bro. Like, he's the king of early sneaks. I'm gonna get that tattooed like Tupac did on Thug Life, bro. Oh, snap! Woo! All right, you cut it. You cut this, right? All right, cut it. It's cut. You'll edit that part out. Can't believe I call myself the king of all early leaks. All right.